This is the Great Circle Route.
Yes, that was flatearthbanjo once more. And prepare yourself, this one will be really, really stupid. As I mentioned, today I will have a look at Banjo again, and this time it's a quite long video. The original video from him is 1.5 hour, but I will not look at all of that. I will only pick 2 short parts. His video is a reply to a pilot on 747 that he have discussed with on Facebook. So this is his replies to a professional pilot. So prepare yourself, because this is incredible stupid.
So second, flights from the west coast of the US and Asia or even Europe use close to Great Circle routing. Great Circle routing is easiest explained by taking a piece of string on a globe and connecting the destination and departure airports.
And will Banjo understand that explanation?
This is the shortest distance between them. Hey, have you tried to lay this piece of string on a flat earth?
Okay, he didn't understand that explanation.
Look, because on a globe earth is not a straight line. Difference between a straight line and a curved line. Straight line is the shortest line that joins any 2 points. It always moves in one direction. A bent line that's not straight is called a curved line. It doesn't move in one direction. Why? Because you have to be constantly moving directions. Straight line, and then you have to adjust and adjust. This is not a straight line. This is a curved line.
Oh dear, how can a human being be so damn stupid?
This is a straight line. Curved line definition explains right here. Curved lines that are not straight but are bent, are called curved lines. So have you tried to take a piece of string and lie it on a flat earth map? This is the Great Circle Route. Great Circle Route means the greater circle of the equator. Okay, all those latitude lines are circles. The Great Circle Line is a shortcut between them.
Oh dear, he managed to get even more stupid in his attempt to prove the flat earth.
That's all what it is, and it's a straight line, not a curved line.
And nobody claims that is a curved line. We demonstrate on a globe. Let's use Google Earth and look at the route he looked at. First we look at the airport in Ecuador, close to Quito. Here I think we have it here somewhere. Yes, there it is. And then we measure the distance. Somewhere in Africa. Sorry, I'm a bit slow here. The Amazonas, and over the ocean, and somewhere here. No, here, Kenya. Let's see. Where is the airport? There. Here we have the airport. Okay, let's mark that. Now we have a line between those 2 cities, and then we zoom out. And what do we see here? Wait. Zoom out a bit more. And adjust it a bit. There we have it. A circle route between those 2 cities. And what do we see on a globe? A straight line. And there you have it. A straight line between those 2 cities. And is the shortest way between those 2 cities. No curved line used.
Third, many routes are built to take advantage of tailwinds provided by the jet streams. Jet streams are actually formed because of the global Earth temperature pressure difference and the Coriolis effect of rotation. Here we have 1962. It already explained the jet streams. It's nothing new. They already used. The subtropical jet stream of winter, latitude 2535, speeds occasionally approaching 300 knots, mean heights 40 to 45,000 feet westerly, 3 large waves in northern hemisphere. Here we have the polar jet streams. Now flight planning right here. 1962. In view of the rapid fuel consumption of jets, however, wind has proved to remain a significant factor. Substantial time can be saved in flight planning for the common aviation system with inclusion of the upper winds in flight planning, especially during upstream flights. 1962, they already knew, they know the speed. Right here we see 200 knots, the polar jet streams, 300 knots, the subtropical jet stream. If you don't know, the subtropical jet streams are right here. Polar jet stream, these two are the subtropical jet stream, 300 knots. So all you have to do, change this to a flat earth map, and you can see the route from Sydney to South America. They get on the jet stream, whether this one, 300 knots, or this one, 200, 250 knots. That's how they get here, as you yourself said, but we have these documents from 1962 stating the same thing. So Sydney to Santiago, they can either fly with the 300 knots jet stream right here, or the 250 knots jet stream, either one. I know most likely this one right here.
He is really really stupid. How do we explain the flights the other way from Santiago? Then they are flying against the jet streams.
Destroy.
So, this was Banjo's reply to a professional pilot. Obviously, it's no limits of how stupid a human being can be. I believe that Banjo must be one of the most stupid flat earthers out there, or perhaps all flat earthers are stupid. Whatever. On Monday I'm leaving for Ukraine again. I'm bringing a lot of parts for building kamikaze drones. So if I can get some donations this week, I would be very happy. So I can buy more parts. If you want to help, use PayPal link in the description. And thank you for watching. Perhaps I will manage to do some more videos before I go to Ukraine. See you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.